Welcome to the Roots Revival with Food Prude, where we're going back to our roots and learning old-fashioned ways in a modern world. Hi, I'm Laura Lawrence, and I'm glad you're here with me. Okay, we're out here in the grow room, and we're checking on the peppers and tomatoes, and I'm seeing if the tomatoes have popped up in all the squares. If they have not, I'm simply just going to see if I need to replant them. But sometimes they're just buried right underneath, so I'm just going to try to see if there's anything going on that maybe just is right underneath the surface. Not in that one. Let's check this one. Nope, so that one was not good. And see, like this guy right here, he's just starting to pop up, so I don't have to replant him. There he is. So it looks like I have a couple of these New Yorkers to plant. Because sometimes they're just underneath the surface, but sometimes they just don't have a good germination rate. Like this one. Oops. There he is. Let's see what else we can find to check on. These firework peppers, I only had 2 out of 5 kind of pop up. Oh, there we go. See, he's right there underneath the surface. So then I know I don't have to go ahead and replant. But this one, oh, is he right there? Nope. So we're going to have to replant that one and replant that one there. So we're going to try it out. Listen, I have eggplant that has not sprouted yet. There's the seed right there. Looks like it's just wanting to germinate, which is good. So I'll leave them a little bit longer and see how those eggplants pop up. They're taking a little bit longer. That's pretty normal for those type of plants. Let's see if this banana pepper popped up. Nope. So we're going to plant him again. And this one's coming up, so we're going to leave it alone. And this one we will replant. So we're just checking on things, seeing what we need to replant. So they're kind of at the same space. And so we're going to go ahead and get these underneath lights and let them grow. Hi, Tom Tom. Hi, kitty. Yeah, hi. We interrupt this gardening broadcast with a kitty cat pet out in my grow room. Okay, even though we've had to replant a few of these seeds in here, I am not going to keep them on the heat mat because for the majority they have sprouted. So I will go ahead and move them to lights after I replant them. And then the warmth of just being inside the grow room is pretty good right now. We have it at 72. So it should be warm enough to get those couple other seedlings to kind of pop back up. Hi, kitty. Yeah, always got to have a friend with me. Yeah, buddy. So that's kind of what we're doing now, just replanting things. I'm going to start another flat of some more tomatoes and peppers and just kind of evaluate what I need to go ahead and start planting. There you go. Hi, kitty. That's Tom Tom. Say hi, Tom Tom. I'm also keeping track in my notebook. Again, I've talked about this before. I wrote the date of the original time of plant, how many I planted, what it was, and whose seed it was. Was it mine? Was it Baker Creek? High Mowing, Azure, Burpee, who knows what it is, MI Gardener. And then the little R is for replant. So I replanted 2, and then what day I'm replanting on, just to kind of keep track of how the seeds are doing, and if a certain type of seed or a brand of seed or something like that. So I like to keep track of everything. Oh, I know, kitty. And then over here, these are actually pink dandelion that are coming up. If you can see that little guy right there. Those are pink dandelions. They have sprouted, so I'm going to see if I can get them to actually grow in my garden this year. Again, I tried last year, but they didn't quite work, so we'll try again because how cool is a pink dandelion, am I right? All right, this is a flat of tomato seeds, a couple different kinds. Amish, I call it beautiful round and a nice tappy. These are saved from my seeds, and so that was a great thing to say, hey, did I seed save them correctly? Yes, for the majority, they actually popped up. There's 50 of them on here, and I had to replant 5 of them. So who knows what happened with those 5, but it's nice to know, okay, these seeds are being saved well. It worked out. They look really good. I'm going to go ahead and get them underneath the lights over here and let them grow. I replanted the 5 that needed to be replanted. All right, now we're taking a look at the flat that has like broccoli and cauliflower on here, and most of the 20 of the broccoli did not sprout. I had a early green from Seeds of Change and a Waltham from Baker Creek, But I looked, both of those seeds were from 2020, and so those did not germinate, which is probably, which is normal because they're several years old, but I'm still going to give them one more shot. So I replanted both those with lots of seeds in each one just to see if I can get enough. They usually pop up within a few days, so if they don't, I will go ahead and plant with a newer seed or a seed that I've saved and see what happens with that. But we've got plenty of time still, and they usually pop up pretty quick, so I'll be able to tell. So we're going to move on. All right, I'm still watering with my spray bottle because I'm lessening the soil compaction. They're tender little seedlings still, and I will not change over to the different watering system until they get planted to the 4-inch pots, if I could talk this morning. And then I will fill the water underneath when these all get transplanted to their bigger pots. But for right now, we're just kind of giving them some spray on the top and just keeping them everything nice and damp. And I will probably turn on the fan in here too to help with any molding issues, and just keep making them stronger too by having some wind.